Hello, grade 12. Let's today go and attempt this question from our Limpopo paper June 2026. We just want to take on this question 11, as you can see on the screen. We are given that in the diagram, square ABCD is inscribed in the circle. AP and PB are tangents. It's very much important to understand this statement. To understand this statement, it's so important. This statement you need to understand. It means that the two are equal. It means that the two are equal. We need to remember that. Now, AP produce meets CB at M. We are given that AP equals to PM. So AP equals to PM, and that is also equals to BP. Okay, so AC parallel to PB. Okay, so the first question, which is the most easiest one, the first question is the easiest one, of course. They want us to prove that this triangle, which is PAB, where are you, PAB, this triangle it's similar to BCA. So the two are similar. That should be very easy. Question number 11. We're going to say, okay, number 1. We're going to start with this A3 equals to C2. Turn chord. We have B3, which is equals to A2. Alternate angles. With the lines which are parallel as AC parallel to PB. And lastly, P1 should be equals to B2. As here we talk about the third angle of triangle. So we've just proven that really triangle PAB similar to triangle BCA. A because of angle. Okay, and now move on to the second one. Number 2, they say we need to prove that AP squared over B squared, BC squared equals to BP over AC. So where are we supposed to start? Let's start with deriving the proportion from here. We're going to have AP over BC, which is equals to AB over AC, which is then equals to PB over AB. Here, similarity. Similarity or similar triangles. Okay, so what can we do with this? Let's see. Before we go far, let's remember that this is a square, that these are equal, meaning that and also to remember that this equals to that. So okay, PB equals to AP. All right, so let's also work out this other one. Let's see how can we work this. Can we prove any other similar triangles? Yeah, I don't think we need to do that. We don't need to do that. Okay, so we've made we now have the proportion first, and don't forget to write similarity or similar triangles as your reason. Then the second one I want us to do is this one. I want us to work out another possible way here. Let's say AP over PM. Let's do that one. Let's see where it's gonna land us to. So AP over PM, or yes, PM equals to BC over BM. Is this gonna help us? No, it's not gonna help us. Let's see. This is not gonna help us. There's no way we can use this. We can't use this one. So meaning that this is not the way. Which one can we do? Let's take this 2 and square. We understand that AB is the same as BC. So okay, let's say AP over BC equals to P over AB. We can square this. When we square, we get AP square over BC square. And there we're going to get let's write this what we're going to get. AB square. So this is what we have so far. Okay, let's not forget that AC square, when we look at this triangle, AC squared equals to BC equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. And what? BC is the same as AP. We know that. So, okay. AB square is the same as AC square minus BC square. Okay. And let's not forget that BC is the same as AB. So you've got AB, you've got AB. You can have 2. You can say AB equals to AC minus BC, it's A. So AB equals to AC here, meaning that AB square, where there's AB square, we can replace by half of AC square. Okay, we can replace by that. Okay. So far we have AP square over BC square equals to P. I've got this 2 of, half AC, which this is the same as AP over BC is the same as 2P 2BP squared over AC squared. Alright, so now from there, let me work with this triangle, the red one. We have Pythagoras there as AB squared equals to this one plus AP. So this is the same as BC or we can have it like this. It's the same as AB squared equals to equals to 2, because this is the same as BP, so it's 2BP square. So what can I do from there? Let me check. If I cross multiply here, I'm going somewhere. Let me do that. That will be AB squared. Let me take this. If I cross multiply here, I'm going somewhere. Okay. This is the same as AB squared. This is the same as AB squared, as we can see here. So, but if I cross multiply AB squared, I'm going to get BP multiplied by AC. And this will result to, I take this, I replace there, AP square over BC square. Where there's AB square, I'll replace by BP multiplied by AC over AC square. So indeed the answer is BC square equals to BP over AC, which is what they were looking for. What the question? So they say this is 3 marks though, but meaning that there's something that I should not write. Which one? I think it's this. This I should not write. But there is the work. So credit here. Credit there. Credit here. Here. That's credit. 3 marks here. But I had to work, guys. I had to work. You can see I had to work for my 3 marks there. Let me see the last one. How are we going to do the last one? So the last one, let's talk about the area here. The area of this triangle is MB. Okay, the area of this one. We understand this is 90. This will be the base. That will be the base. So this is number 3. And make MAC. So they will share the same base. The two will share the same base. These two will share the same base, which is AM. So area there will be area of triangle MPB will be half base, which is AM, multiplied by height, which is AM. Here it should be half base multiplied by height. Height is B BP. Okay, so what's gonna happen here? And let's write area of triangle M, here should be MAC. That would be half. Base will be AM again, because we understand here will be 90. Why 90? Because of semicircle. Multiplied by height, which is AC. They say prove that the area of that one is equals to the area of that one. Okay. Let's not forget that we can write that AC or PB will be half of AC. This is where we talk about the midpoint theorem. This is where we talk about the midpoint theorem. Meaning that where there is AC, you can replace by 2 of what? Of BP. So let's see. Okay. Now, area there of triangle MAC will be, let's have that 4, 1/4 will be 1/4 here. The area is what? It's half base, which is AM, multiplied by height, which is AC. Okay. So from there, let's see, we're going to have 1/4, 1/2 there. AM, and where there's AC will replace by 2 of what? I think I need to write well here. The way I wrote my work, it's not giving sense. Let me write nicely. Let me start nicely. Okay. Okay. Just the area of the left hand side is this. This is the area of the left hand side. We understand. Okay. But BP is half of what? Not yet. Let's write area 1/4 area of triangle MAC will be what? Will be 1 over 4. Then we will replace the area of Mach here. Will be half. Base will be AM multiplied by height, which is AC. Then we can say but BP equals to half of AC. So we can write midpoint here. Theorem. So we'll say, meaning that where there's AC, we can replace by. So here I forgot something. Area is half base times height. Half base is what? Multiplied by height. So where there's AC, I can replace by 2 of BP. So I can have something of the same. My left hand side will be this one. What about my right hand side? My right hand side will be okay. Where there's AC, I can replace by 2 BC. Okay, let me track back. The area of triangle MPB have base. Let's make base be MP, and let's have the other base be AM. Okay, let's have that. Now let's see what we're going to have there. So working with 1 over 4, this one, area, triangle Mach, that will be 1 over 4 into half. We understand AM is twice MP. And we understand AC is twice BP. So what's gonna happen here? This will give us 4. One over 2.4 MP BP. So 4 will cancel out 4. This 4 will cancel out this 4. Until you get your answer exactly as 1 over 2 MP and BP. So you can see that this one here is the same as that. Then we can equate, we can say therefore area of triangle MPB, it's very much the same as a quarter area of triangle mark, because they give us half MP multiplied by BP, both, okay? So we are done. This is what you had to write here. For 5 marks, you had to write this. So there is a way to write them. You need to remember your midpoint theorem. You need to remember your midpoint theorem very well. So otherwise, these are your 11 marks, 2 marks, number 1, 3 marks, and we're here. Then your 5 marks there. Right. So guys, I'm going to stop here. I believe you understood what went down there. Until we meet again next time, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment down there, and also share the video amongst your friends. Until we meet again next time, love you guys. Bye.